Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to reset Tradingview password. If you've been locked out of your Tradingview account or simply want to update your password for better security, don't worry. I'm here to make the process simple and quick for you. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to head over to the Tradingview website. So open your preferred web browser and go to tradingview.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which you'll typically find at the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to get to the Sign In interface. If you're having trouble remembering your password or can't sign in, look for an option that says Forgot Password or Can't Sign In. Clicking this link will kickstart the recovery process. Now, to get a reset link, you'll need to provide some information. Enter the email address, username, or phone number linked to your Tradingview account. Double-check to make sure you've entered the correct details, as this will ensure you receive the reset link promptly. Once you've submitted the form, Tradingview will send you a reset link or a verification code based on the contact details you've provided. This could come via email or SMS, so keep an eye on your inbox or phone notifications. Now, let's move on to resetting your password. After you've submitted your details, check your email inbox or SMS for the message from Tradingview. Don't forget to peek into your spam or junk folder, just in case the email got filtered there. Once you find the message, click on the reset link or follow the SMS prompt, which will take you to the password reset page. Here, you'll need to enter a new password. Make sure it's secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the designated field. This helps avoid any typos or errors that could lock you out again. After confirming your new password, you're all set. You should now have access to your Tradingview account with a new, secure password. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to reset Tradingview password. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.